Have you ever experienced the crushing, humiliating pain of being completely overlooked, entirely rejected, and treated as if your existence holds absolutely zero value by the very people you desperately wanted to impress? We are conditioned to deeply internalize rejection as a terrifying proof of our own inadequacy, but the brutal psychological truth is that being chronically underestimated is actually the most dangerous, highly explosive fuel a human being can ever receive. Before we dive into today's life-changing lesson on the terrifying, unstoppable power of the completely rejected underdog, please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can continue bringing you these powerful stories. In the highly elite, aggressively competitive training grounds of a fierce ancient empire, hundreds of incredibly talented, physically flawless young recruits gathered every single year to aggressively compete for the ultimate honor of joining the Kaelen's legendary vanguard. Among these massive, highly privileged warriors was a quiet, severely undernourished, and completely unremarkable orphan named Kaelen, whose mere presence on the sacred training field was violently mocked by every single instructor and noble-born fighter. During the brutal, highly publicized selection ceremony, the Master Generals proudly chose the tallest, the fastest, and the wealthiest boys, completely ignoring Kaelen as he stood shivering in the freezing mud, desperately hoping for a single glance of validation. When the final name was aggressively called and the elite squads proudly marched away to their warm, luxurious barracks, Kaelen was left completely alone in the freezing, pouring rain, officially labeled as a pathetic, worthless reject who was entirely unfit for greatness. The incredibly wealthy, arrogant recruits would intentionally throw their heavy, dirty boots at him as they passed, loudly laughing at the frail boy who was forced to sleep in the cold stables with the animals while they ate roasted meat and drank fine wine. For the first few agonizing, heartbreaking weeks, Kaelen violently cried in the dark, deeply believing the toxic, crushing narrative that the world had forced upon him, fully convinced that his life was a completely meaningless, pathetic cosmic mistake. But one freezing night, as he laid in the dark, shivering violently while listening to the distant, arrogant laughter of the men who had completely discarded him, a profound, terrifying psychological snap occurred deep within his broken, bleeding mind. He suddenly realized that because absolutely nobody believed in him, completely nobody was watching him, and because he had absolutely nothing left to lose, he was completely free from the heavy, suffocating pressure of external expectations. While the arrogant, highly praised recruits spent their nights lazily drinking and comfortably relying on their natural, unearned talents, Kaelen began aggressively training his broken body in the absolute pitch-black darkness of the freezing, silent forest. He violently lifted massive, jagged boulders until his hands freely bled. He sprinted up the steepest, most dangerous mountains until his lungs violently burned, and he completely mastered the brutal art of combat, using only the heavy, discarded weapons he found in the mud. The crushing pain of his absolute rejection transformed into a dark, highly concentrated, unstoppable obsession, stripping away his pathetic need for validation and replacing it with a cold, terrifying, mechanical discipline that completely ignored human suffering. Because the elite generals completely ignored his existence, they never saw the terrifying, undeniable monster he was actively building in the shadows. entirely unaware that the frail, broken boy was rapidly becoming the most dangerous lethal weapon in the entire kingdom. 3 years later, a massive, highly coordinated invasion force of brutal, savage mercenaries unexpectedly breached the Empire's heavily fortified walls, violently overwhelming the lazy, overly confident vanguard who had spent years resting on their unearned, entitled laurels. The arrogant recruits who had violently mocked Kaelen were completely paralyzed by the terrifying chaos, frantically dropping their highly polished, expensive weapons and desperately screaming for the generals to save their cowardly, completely untested lives. From the dark, smoky shadows of the burning courtyard, a terrifying, heavily scarred, unbelievably fast warrior violently exploded into the enemy ranks, aggressively cutting down the massive invaders with a cold, brutal, surgical precision that shocked the entire empire. Kaelen moved like a dark, unstoppable force of pure, violent nature, completely ignoring the excruciating pain of his own wounds, utterly destroying the enemy commanders while the elite, heavily funded vanguard watched in absolute, humiliating horror. When the violent, bloody dust finally settled and the invading army was entirely destroyed, the highest generals of the empire desperately fell to their knees in the mud, begging the unknown, legendary savior to reveal his true identity to the stunned kingdom. Kaelen slowly lowered his heavy, blood-soaked sword, looked directly into the terrified, deeply regretful eyes of the exact same arrogant men who had violently discarded him 3 years ago, and did not say a single pathetic word of validation. He simply turned his scarred, massive back to the desperately pleading king, completely rejecting the prestigious golden armor they frantically offered him, and walked peacefully away into the dark forest, fully knowing he was absolutely untouchable. This dark, incredibly powerful psychological story holds a highly aggressive, deeply urgent lesson for anyone who is currently experiencing the agonizing, humiliating pain of being the absolute last choice in their career, relationship, or personal life. We are deeply brainwashed to completely rely on the warm, comfortable applause of the crowd, foolishly believing that if society does not immediately recognize our massive potential, we must be entirely flawed, completely broken, and utterly worthless. But the brutal, highly advantageous reality is that immediate, unearned praise creates incredibly weak, lazy, overly comfortable people who completely shatter the absolute moment the universe aggressively punches them directly in the face. When you are completely rejected, entirely ignored, and violently pushed into the dark shadows, you are actually being handed the ultimate, highly exclusive psychological advantage that the celebrated arrogant elite will never, ever possess. You are completely invisible, meaning you can aggressively fail, rapidly experiment, and violently build your massive, undeniable empire without the toxic, highly paralyzing eyes of the judgmental, critical world watching your every single mistake. The painful, burning sting of being completely overlooked is the exact, incredibly rare forge required to completely burn away your pathetic, weak ego and forge a cold, terrifying, unbreakable discipline that relies entirely on internal, unstoppable self-respect. Stop desperately begging for a cheap, highly conditional seat at a table filled with arrogant, blind people who lack the fundamental, basic vision to actually see the massive, undeniable greatness actively burning inside of your chest. Do not loudly complain about the brutal unfairness of your lonely, isolated situation, and absolutely do not desperately try to logically explain your immense hidden value to fools who are deeply committed to constantly severely underestimating you. Radically embrace the absolute, terrifying silence of the dark shadows. Completely detach from the pathetic need for external validation, and actively use their highly arrogant disrespect as the explosive nuclear fuel to aggressively build your undeniable future. Work violently hard in the absolute pitch-black dark. Intentionally let them completely forget your name and allow their toxic, overconfident laughter to serve as the daily, brutal rhythm of your highly disciplined, massive physical and mental transformation. The absolute greatest, most devastating psychological revenge you can ever inflict upon the people who completely ignored you is not to violently attack them, but to aggressively outgrow them so massively that they become entirely irrelevant to your beautiful life. When you finally violently emerge from the dark, having completely mastered your craft in total, absolute isolation, your undeniable, terrifying competence will forcefully demand a level of respect that simply cannot be ignored or denied by anyone. They will desperately try to claim they always believed in you. They will frantically attempt to take credit for your massive, unbelievable success, and they will completely embarrass themselves trying to eagerly reconnect with the powerhouse they once violently rejected. But you will simply look at them with the cold, unbothered, absolute peace of a true master who completely understands that the opinions of weak, blind sheep hold absolutely zero value to the incredibly dangerous solitary wolf. Your absolute power does not come from being chosen by the flawed, highly corrupt system. It comes entirely from the terrifying, completely unstoppable realization that you never actually needed their pathetic, heavily flawed permission to become a total legend. The rejection that you are violently crying over today is the exact, massive, beautiful psychological protection actively forcing you away from an incredibly average, totally mediocre life filled with highly toxic, small-minded people. Take a massive, deep breath right now, look directly into the cold, terrifying mirror, and make a brutal, unbreakable contract with your own soul to never, ever desperately beg for another human being's extremely cheap, totally conditional validation again. Pick up the incredibly heavy, jagged stones of your own painful isolation. Completely weaponize your dark, bitter trauma and aggressively build an unshakable, massive internal empire that absolutely no one can ever take away from you. Let them lazily sleep, let them loudly laugh, and let them arrogantly celebrate their meaningless, temporary victories while you completely master the dark, beautiful, highly lethal art of becoming an utterly undeniable, entirely unstoppable force of nature. You are incredibly dangerous precisely because you have survived the absolute worst rejection the world could offer, and you are still standing, completely unbroken, actively sharpening your massive sword in the freezing, silent dark. Embrace the terrifying, incredibly powerful path of the unchosen. Strictly rely on your own massive internal fire, and violently force the entire world to completely choke on their own arrogant, highly flawed underestimation of your true potential. If you found true value in this dark, psychological lesson and learned something incredibly important about the undeniable power of being underestimated today, please hit that like button, leave a comment below about your own journey, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful life lessons.